Hi everyone. Today I like to discuss is what is the Microsoft Foundry. I'm using the Microsoft Foundry documentation from the Microsoft field. Microsoft Foundry basically is a unified Azure platform as a service. Uh, as a service offering the enterprise AI operation model builder. It is model builder. It's application development. The foundation combine production grade infrastructure with the friendly interface, enabling the developer to focus building application rather than managing the infrastructure. That means it is fully serverless. Microsoft Foundry unified the agent model and tools under a single management grouping within built-in enterprise readiness capability, including tracing, monitoring, evaluation, customization, enterprise setup, configuration. The platform provides streamlined management through the unified role based access control, then networking, then policy under on Azure resource namespace. The evolution of Foundry, basically the Foundry considered several previous Azure AI services and tools into a unified platform. Before all the AI services, Microsoft AI services different name. Under the Foundry, it is being all together under one umbrella. The following table maps previous concept to their current equivalent. For the detailed guidance transparency the here naming. So before dimension, it was before name Azure AI Foundry. It was now current name is Azure Foundry. So brand Azure AI services, Foundry tools basically. Portal. This is the portal. This is the portal now. Azure Microsoft Foundry portal. So portal. Then there are a couple of things. API versioning, then resource model, Hub, Microsoft OpenAI, Microsoft AI services, and Foundry single with project. The SDK and also terminology and how it will be API call. There is some Python, so you can go Python, the C++, TypeScript, Java, REST API. So how you will call. So here is a endpoint. Then you have the credential, default credential. Then OpenAI. Okay, okay, this one and run. Okay, this is the like the OpenAI response script. This is the example, so you will get the output. What is the available model in the Microsoft Foundry? Microsoft Foundry give you access almost 2,000 model from Microsoft, OpenAI, Anthropic, Mr. I, XAI, Meta, DeepSeek, Hugging Face, and more. The following table highlighted popular model family to help you choose the starting point. So there is a couple of famous model like GPT-5, GPT 4.1, then GPT 4.1 Mini, Claude, then Grok, then Mistral, DeepSeek R1, the POI, and then Meta Llama. So this is the available model. What is the new? Basically, Foundry is evolving very fast. Here are some of the latest addition here. Model routing with the response API. Then you have instant access, then voice agent, the routing, Fabric queue. This connect. This is new Fabric queue. Connect agent to the Microsoft Fabric data. Basically, the Amazon queue have the similar kind, and then work queue connect to agent to the Microsoft 365 content, Fabric queue and work queue. So there's choose your path. Basically, find support multiple developer surface. Use following the table. Find the access scenario. So I call to model from one code. So there is couple of example here. And then develop in VS Code, Foundry VS Code you can set up. Okay. who is founder for amount for three primary audience, mainly application developer, the ML engineer, data scientist, and then AI administrator, platform engineer who govern AI services, enforce policy, and manage access control team. So this is the we can go through more how we access content. We can discuss later. This is more. So then if we go here, then have the key capability. So the key capability of Microsoft Foundry, a multi-agent orchestration, then tool catalog connect over more than 4,000 tool through the public and private catalog, memory, retain, recall context, Foundry IQ, this publishing. So this Microsoft Foundry API and ADK is available in Python, C++, and then JavaScript and Java. Foundry portal. So there is Foundry portal. Okay, portal. Then pricing. Basically, the platform is free for explore. Pricing occurs at the deployment level. Each product within the Foundry model, then agent, then tools has own billing and model pricing. So we can study the more pricing later. The availability. So Foundry is available in most of the region. Most of the regions you can see from here, or of course, if you go here, which region is available. So almost Foundry available almost all the regions. I mean Canada. So let's look Canada. Okay. Canada East and Canada Central. So it has available also Central the US and US Asia. So this is the then what is this is the related document, like how to Foundry, set up Foundry resources, instant access to Foundry preview, then create project, then get with the AI template, use Foundry skill coding agents. So this is the high level. So if you go here, so how to choose Foundry. So how to choose Microsoft Foundry. There is a couple of things. Okay. So this is all about today. I will discuss tomorrow. Okay, this is overview and how to choose. From the I can overview. I can say choose how to build Microsoft Foundry. Microsoft Foundry gives you the simple way to build from a single model to call to fully containerized agent. The article help you decide how to build your agent and which developer services. Okay, you start building agent. Choose a developer, Foundry portal, SDK, Azure, okay. And visual access control, you can recommended path for new developer. Make your first model call, build your, okay. If you, okay, here is some, how will be called, and everything is here. So, Amazon, we can look on later. Then we have some, then service architecture, Microsoft Foundry architecture. Microsoft Foundry organized AI workload through a layer architecture, top to level resource for governance, project, isolation, and connect to Azure services, storage, search, and secret management. The IT article provide operation. Okay, consider for the Azure resources, the Azure AI resources type of provider here. So Microsoft Cognizant services support agent and as an AI application development. Okay, okay. Foundry supported Foundry, Azure OpenAI, Azure Speech, and Azure Language, and okay. Then Microsoft Search support knowledge. Okay, and this one and that is for most AI developer scenario, including as in building, model development, and evolution workload. The Foundry resource is the recommended study. Foundry resource shared the Microsoft Cognitive service provider naming space. Okay, OpenAI, Vision, and language. So Microsoft Foundry resource type, okay, account, then Foundry project services, then Foundry tools, language Foundry, okay. Okay. This is Foundry resources, then then have storage, keyboard. Okay, this is the Foundry, the model deployment. Then you have the security. Then you have connection outside. Project A as an evolution file, as in project B or as an evolution. Okay, project A, project B. Then you have the Azure AI search. Then keyboard. Okay, this is the okay project access. This is how will be connected here. Security, okay. Top level rule-based access. How who Azure rule-based access control separation for the separation. Who can control what can do. This is the using the rule access monitoring and observability. So it has a monitoring. So resource level metrics, then project level metrics, and diagnostic logging if anything happen. Then compute infrastructure. Compute is compute search model hosting as an exchange base. So this section of model deployment type, modern deployment type. Here is a global, okay. Earlier is a capacity and global base, okay. Cost is as a pay per token, global standard, global provision, global standard, global provision, global base, cross region, okay, and data zone standard within the data zone, okay, pay per token, data zone provision within data zone, hourly provision, standard single region, pay per, okay, and developer as an evaluation base, this as a version, okay, sorry, as an evaluation and best processing, as an evaluation and best jobs are fully managed by as in workflows run inside platform container infrastructure which is support uh, okay, evolution virtual network integration. Mm. When your agent connect to the external system, you need to isolate your traffic using container injection. Why the platform injects subnet, okay. This is so you can deploy customer manage, your provider, and then you have the managed VNet, Foundry managed VNet that on behalf of you. Simple setup, limit customization for details, full control over network. You separately customize your network, then based on the CID range, availability zones, and others, and or maybe you don't need to manage. Foundry will manage on behalf of a simple setup, limit consumption. Okay. Then tenant isolation. Okay, workload run logically isolated environment per Foundry resources. Customer code does not share runtime content with other tenants. Okay, content safety and guardrail. Content safety and guardrail. Foundry integrated safely content into the model and as interface. Guardrail define the risk to detect in intervention, scan, user input, user output, tools, tool resource, okay, content, okay, reasonability, regional computer by regions, okay, then data storage, Foundry provide flexible, secure data is option to support wide range of AI workload. Manage storage for, and then bring your own storage. You can bring your own storage. The customer manage integration, okay, bring your keyboard, bring your own keyboard, data residency and compliance support and validation architecture, and this is all about today. But of course we can talk other day with more. Thank you all today.